Hey friends, Dave here. Had a couple people ask me how I carry a lot of my stuff on some of my bike trips. I got a big trip coming up here soon. Not the biggest I've done, but it's going to be a fun trip. It's going to be the Silver Comet Trail from Atlanta to Anniston, Alabama, and back. Bike packing the whole way. But anyway, I'm going to do the fat bike this time. You see it right there. I will give you a quick rundown on all the handlebar bags, the new fork, the new frame bag, and the old seat pack, as well as a couple extra things that I've had since my last trip. So here we go. All right, we start out up front here with the Revelate Egress pocket bag, I believe is what it's called. This thing is great, easy access to some of your stuff here. I usually keep some snacks and stuff inside. It has a little pocket, waterproof up to a point, but it holds lots of goodies. Easy to close up here with the Velcro, and then a little strap that comes down on the front. You can also hang some stuff with your carabiners here too. Behind that, I like to keep my tent and tent posts. I'm kind of a diva when it comes to a tent. I like a lot of room, so I suffer carrying a little extra weight to carry this larger two-person tent. And how I carry that tent, and it's about 4.5 pounds with the ground cloth as well. And I actually store my sleeping pad inside that, so it adds a little bit more weight. But how I carry it is with the Salsa anything handlebar crate there, along with the Revelate harness up front that helps hold the egress bag. So I guess we'll go behind that. We have two, lean it off the post here a little bit, two of the Revelate feed bags. And these are great. As you can see, I have 2 bottles of water in those. It's also good to throw a quick snack in there, some peanuts or granola or something like that. Really good and quick, easy access. A couple extra pockets on the side. I do like it because you can, I don't have them tight right now, but you can attach it to your fork and it makes it real secure so things aren't bouncing around. Behind that, for no other reason than this is something that I picked up a long time ago, but this is the Specialized tank bag. A couple of zippers on the side. Again, it's waterproof to a point. I do have a little 3-way tool in here right now because I was doing some adjusting. But inside you see there's plenty of room for a phone, your wallet, keys, stuff like that. Little band on the front to kind of, you can clip something to that as well. Side pocket, you can put snacks, or it actually has the little clip for your keys there so you don't lose your keys. And then another little clip on the back for stuff like that. We'll move back up to the front here. We have 2 Salsa anything cages. They come with Salsa straps, but I really like these Surly Velcro straps for the top, because it allows me to pull them off real quick and lean it forward to get stuff out. What I put in these is typically my little micro stove, and you can fit a tank of the butane or the regular gas tanks or whatever inside of it very, very easily. And they attach to the fork directly, very sturdy. And you guys will notice that most Specialized bikes don't come with a fork with attachments. What I've done is I've taken a Salsa bear paw fork and painted it to match, so I have the attachments and stuff on there, the braze-ons. That way I can put the 2 anything cages on there. It's similar to my Fargo. Has this only has 3 points on each side of the fork. My Fargo has 6. but it does very well. All right, I'll probably butcher the name of this, but Over Negra is the new bag I got here. This is my new frame bag. I like this because, number one, it has a longer front strap to go around the extra carbon that's unlike my other bikes. It gives it a great attachment point there. Also some great solid Velcro there. The best part is it gives you room to continue to carry your water bottle behind it. I have a Revelate Ranger bag, I believe they call it, and it goes from front to back and has lots of room, but I can't carry water. I have to find another place for water. This, you lose a little bit of room for packing, but you're able to carry, and this is an extremely large bottle of water. This is a 17-inch frame here, so you can get an idea that it carries a larger bottle of water. I do have attachment braze-ons down here for another cage. I may end up putting another cage down there. Not sure where I'm going. I got pretty good access to water, so I'm not too worried about that. From here we will go to the back, which is the Specialized Burra Burra 20-liter seat pack. And I was not a fan of these bags here for a while. This one actually comes with the thing that's supposed to help it not shake around, but I still wasn't happy with it. So what I've done is I've added this PDW rack here, and it attaches to the seat post. It works on a pivot there as well, so you can drop it or raise it. Works great even on a suspension post. It has a nice solid bottom, so if you're throwing mud up there, it's not gonna get all over your bag. The bag has lots of attachments, bungee cords, clips, and just depending on what you want to put on it, has some extra clips down here. The actual rack itself has 3 different attachment points that help you hold the bags down. And you can also go to the grocery store. You can pop this bag off pretty easy just by undoing the Velcro and the quick little Velcro straps. Run to the grocery store, you can fit a gallon of milk on this thing if you needed to. Little upgrade. All right, back to the upgrade on the head carbon wheels, both front and back. Super lightweight, durable. Head has a great program behind them if you were to break one. Good. The head brick house hubs. Still running the XT brakes. I've been happy with them. They hold up very well. 45 North Van Helgas. Not great in the sand, but off-road they're pretty good. Thompson seat post, Thompson stem, air gun, cork grips. The only thing that is probably never going to change is the race face crank here. It's been holding up very well, so haven't broke it, which means I haven't replaced it with something carbon yet. But yeah, that's I think that's about it. I think that's about it. We're gonna be heading out here shortly, and I knew a couple people had asked some questions about how I set my bags up and how I go. I might do another video to show you exactly where I put stuff, but this is kind of a new setup for me because last time I ran the Fargo and had a couple extra things on the fork and a different bag on the frame. So I might do another video to show you exactly where I put clothes and raincoats and food and stuff like that. So that's it for now. Me and the old fatty will be heading out this week, and we'll have a good time with some friends and just enjoy being out on the road and riding bikes. Have a good one. Talk to you later.